Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, what we're gonna do today?
Reverse parking.
Reverse parking. Can I ask you one question? Have you done that before?
Before you, not really.
Did you watch my videos?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you now a challenge.
Oh no.
Are you ready for a challenge? So now we're gonna do reverse parking in between two cars.
Ooh,
Are you ready?
I guess so.
Okay, let's go. Let's show. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So now we're gonna park in between these two cars that park over there on that side. Okay, so slightly start moving. Take your time. Make sure you're lining up the car properly, and we're gonna do reverse parking. Go slower, yeah. Put the signal. Oh, he's going to our spot. I think so. Let's see if he does that. Yeah, he's going to our spot. Okay, you know what? Let's do over here.
Do over here.
Okay,
Which
beside this car. So this is going to be your spot.
This one or
Yes.
this one?
This one. Yes. Okay. Let's do it. He just blocked. Look straight. Make sure that you're adjusting the car first. Okay. Make sure that we parallel to the line. So what do we need to do now?
Match up this.
Match up the knob, right, to the line.
line.
Okay, so let's see if it's match. And how you looking to match that stuff? What are you doing to match it?
I go back and then I
You
like
go
this.
back and you double check just to make sure that you line up with the knob. Is it there?
Pretty sure I'm good.
I think that you went a little bit over.
Oh, a little bit over.
Yeah, if you look at the line, we're a little bit over. So just reverse a little bit. Reverse. Yeah, so now you see, guys, we're putting reverse. And now let's check again.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's go. Let's see how it goes. So you're turning one full turn to the right, and let's go. Keep on moving. Look at the both sides. Yeah, make sure no traffic, right? No traffic. And now you're looking at this small mirror that it's gonna show you the line, correct?
Yeah.
On both sides.
Where's the line? There we go.
Okay, no cars are coming. Area it's clear. The car is straight. Straighten up, and we're reversing. And as you can see, guys, we parked beside the blue car on that side. There is no car over here. Reverse a little bit more. Just don't pass the lines. Perfect. Park the car. And the handbrake. Done. Beautiful. Now let's wait for that car to pull out. And I want you to park in between two
Okay.
cars.
Okay. We're going to do it.
So we just warm up, right, Kim?
Yeah, that was a warm
Okay,
up.
the car is gone. Let's pull this out. Okay, so now we're gonna go into to park between these two cars. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I'll line up properly. Slightly on the gas. Check left and right. No traffic. Get closer to the right. Out of the gas. Go slow. So this is the spot that we are going to park. And check. Make sure you're straight. There we go. Line up properly. I'm not intervening. You doing, okay?
Oh. Okay. Some snow. Okay. I think we're good. I'm not intervening. Oh no.
I'm not talking. So this is the car on one side. And that's the car on the other side. And look at that beautiful, beautiful aligning up. And I'm gonna show you this. And don't pass the lines. Perfect. Park the car.
Woo! I did it.
Congratulations! Wow. It was difficult?
No.
What's the key? the line. If you do that, no problem to do reverse parking.
Keep looking left and right.
And keep looking left and right to make sure. And as you can see, guys, she didn't go back and forth. She just parked properly in one shot. The car before us, there was a driving school. He was doing 3 times until he went into the spot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I just watched them and you did it, right?
Alex driving.
Alex driving. Okay, guys, so that was the reverse parking. It's simple if you line up properly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.